What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial video for FiveM. This is going to be a very quick one and an easy one. Simply going to go over on how to set yourself a banner on FiveM like this, and how to set yourself your server icon just like here. This is currently my server I'm working on, so I'll use this as an example. But we're going to go over this and how to do that, and the same thing, or the next thing we're going to go over is the FiveM membership, the Patreon, the subscriptions, on how to get one sync, how to get your custom colors, and your streaming for clothing. And as in custom colors, what they mean is this right here. You can see there's different colors in the name. So we'll do the Patreon first because it's the easiest. Simply log in, create an account, and subscribe whatever tier you want. They have different tiers. Make sure you subscribe to the one that has these discs. So this would be the first one, this would be the second one, this would be the third one. Those are the ones that give you the benefits. And it also tells you what the benefits are. So to make sure when you pick it out, this is usually the one you start out with. You can have up to 64 players, you can stream custom clothing, and you get colors in your name. Once you get to the $32 one and the $63 one, that's more when you have a large player base. So if you do need custom streamed clothing or whatever you want, this is usually the one you start out with, the $20 a month one. That is also the cheapest one. So now a lot of people are confused on how to link it to your key or whatever you do. All you need to do is whatever email you use on this has to be the same email you used for your FiveM keymaster. As you can see, it says I currently use this key, and then anything linked to that key in here, any server I have will have those benefits. Also, all you need to do is make sure you have the same emails used in both of them, and it can take up to half a day for that to activate. Now to move on to adding these, it's really easy. You just need to make sure you get the images, you have them the proper sizes. So for the banner, this is the size, and for the icon, that's the size. And I will have this all in the description for you, and it's very nice and easy. So to set all of them, you need to set this in your server.cfg. So we're going to go ahead and pull up our server.cfg. Mine is on my desktop under servers. No, sorry. YouTube server. Server.cfg. So my server.cfg right here. You open that up. And then you just go paste it. You can go right on the top. Make some spaces. Paste it right there. So for the banners, you need to go to a website to upload the images, and then the server icon, you simply drag it into here. So let's go ahead and do the images first. You go to the image website right here, and you just drag your image right in there. And then you wait for that to end. So once that is done, the image is uploaded. So now what you need to do is make sure you grab the correct code, or it will not work. You can't grab this one up here, that will not work. So you need to go clicking these three dots, click get shared links, and then you get this BB code right here for the forums. Copy that link. Now you will take that link, back here, and you paste those into your banner, just like that. One thing you have to do though is get rid of these image boxes. You only want the website link. And so the website link, you just have to make sure it's got the i.imager.com. And you can test to make sure the image works by copying just that and pasting that, and you can see just the image pops up. So the website for that, which is Imager, I will have that in the description. And that is how you set your banner, which would be this one up here, and then when you connect the image, it shows there. Now with the server icon, you have to have the actual image, which the size of that is right here, 96 by 96. And all you do is in your server.cfg, you declare it like this. It will be in the description, so no worry, just copy and paste it. And then all you do is wherever you have your file saved, right here wherever the server.cfg is, we'll just name this one logo. will act like that's our logo.png. And you just drag that right in there. And that's all you do for the server icon. So to go over everything, to load your server icon, simply drag your logo, which is 96 by 96 and is a PNG file, into the same location your server.cfg is, and you start it with this line right there. Obviously you can have this named anything, but you want to make sure it's a PNG and it's the same name as it is right here. So logo, logo. For the details and the connecting banners, you need to go to image or website, which you simply go to the website, you upload the image. Once it's uploaded, you get the share links and you get the BB code, but you make sure you remove the image box. You only want the website link. And then for the Patreon, again, pick whatever tier you want, and whatever account you've registered, make sure it uses the same email as you did for registering for your FiveM key, and it can take up to half a day for you to get your element bonuses. They will automatically apply as long as you use the correct email, and you will know because you'll get this line right here. Alright guys, that's everything, and we'll see you next one.